All right. Well, thank you for tuning in. This is another episode of Flip the Sample, and of course, this is a series where we take music that actually have no copyright claims to them anymore, and that usually means it's like mad old, like 50, 60 years old, and then I just sort of chop it up and see if I can make a song or make a beat out of a sample from one of these songs. Now this one is going to represent Black History Month. Now I'm like a month or two late, but I had other things, but still, I had other things that I had to catch up on. But it's still going to represent that, and still in the spirit of Black History Month. And when you hear the sample, of course, you'll get it. It's definitely yeah, it definitely represents Black History Month really well. I think I'm probably going to call the song like um something with a lion. I don't know yet, but either way, once I'm done with the song, then what I will do at that point is I'm going to make a video using AI generated animations, and it's AI generated animations from the Black History Month sampled or Black History Month shorts that I did, and they're definitely on my channel now. So if anybody wants to check them out, they're there. And so this will go along, and I'll make a long form video with them. Now, now, unlike other episodes of Flip the Sample, I would go through and make the beat. This time the beat is actually already done. I did the beat on Machine a while ago, and so that saves me a little bit of time because, usually on other ones I'll go through and have to figure out what sounds and what drums and and a lot of that stuff you don't really see because I edited it out. But either way, it's a pain in the ass to have to go through all this stuff and then go back and edit it all out. So at least this time it's already the beat is done. And so the sample I have again is going to I tried it in native in Machine. It worked out, but then I wasn't able to control it the way I want to. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to use the Fruity samplers, the FL samplers, and I'll definitely be able to get a little bit more control out of the sample from there, and there we'll go. So thank you for tuning in. Now I'm checking out the actual pattern in Machine. I'm going to go through it, make sure I have everything set the way I'd like it, and I'm going to go ahead and bounce it out and make a wave, and then from there I'll open up a new FL track with the pattern that I downloaded from here, and that would be, of course, the main beat, and then from there I'll go ahead and make my chops and bing bang boom. You know what I mean? All right, here we go. So right now it's bouncing, and once it's done, I'm going to go ahead and take the beat, open up in a new FL pattern and FL project, and then from there, I'm going to. But before I do that too, I'm going to chop up the samples, and then that's the one thing I did forget to do because I still got to chop up the samples, but I'll do that too, and we'll see that here. Okay, it's done bouncing. So, at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this out. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to go ahead and chop up some samples and then open it all up into a new studio, a new FL project. And we're good from there. All right. All right, so everything is queued up. So I'm going to go ahead and get to starting to, make the beat and stuff with the melody and stuff. So what I'm going to do real quick is go ahead and roll up. So anybody watching this, go ahead and roll up real quick and shit. We're going to go ahead and review the song and get to going. All right. All right, so I have all of I have the project open. I have all of the samples already trimmed up and ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and start completing the beat now. As you see, there is another sample up there. That's more of like a skit type of a sample. I'm not going to play that for this. This is going to be something I'll have to check out when you see the video. But I'm going to go ahead and get to it. It's a little weird. I'm working on it. It's just always a pain in the ass sometimes messing with stuff. But here we go. See how it works out. Yeah, I'm gonna play that sample once once you get the video, you'll get the whole song. Go ahead and roll up. You know what I'm saying? Roll up and just sit back and relax.
Go down, Moses, way down in Egypt land. Go down, Moses, way down in Egypt land. Go down, Moses.
Yeah.
Moses, way down in Egypt land.
All right, so that's the pitch. All right, let's go.
Go down, Moses, way down in Egypt land. Go down, Moses, Go down, Moses, way down in Egypt.
Wait a minute.
Go down, Moses, way down in Egypt land. Go down, Moses, way down in Egypt land.
All right, so I think I'm gonna redo that. All right, I'm back. I didn't finish it yesterday. Different shirt. I'm probably gonna edit this out, so who gives a shit anyway?
Go down, Moses, way down in Egypt land. Go down, Moses, way down in Egypt land.
All right, back at it. Let's see what happens. I didn't like the last session so much. I pretty much erased everything that I made, so here we go. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I just got to get a better sample, or get the right sample to fit the actual drum pattern. Anyway, here we go. I do like that. So that'll work. Okay, so let's see.